Hi guys, it's Jack from Up and Smoke here, and today we're going to be doing a mods a minute video on the Smok alike. So the Smok alike comes in 5 different colours. Today we have 4 here. It is a nice little compact device. It is dustproof, shockproof and waterproof, and today I'm going to be showing you the blue one. So the Smok alike comes with the RPM pod out of the box, and to take it off you want to lift it from the device like so. So it comes with a 0.4 coil, which is good to use up until 25 watts, and a 0.8, which is recommended to use at about 16 at the max. So to put your coil inside of your pod, all you want to do is line up the 2 flat sides on the bottom of the coil and line it up with the 2 flat sides on the bottom of the pod. To take it out, all you want to do is just pull it out like so. So to fill up your pod, all you want to do is get this little rubber bung here, lift it up and slide it across, and get your favourite bottle of e-liquid. Mine is Blackjack, and then just fill it up like so. Because the pod is concealed on the inside of the device, what you want to do after every couple of uses is just pull the pod out to check your e-liquid levels so you don't burn out a coil quickly. So now I'm just going to show you the settings. So all you want to do to turn the device on is 5 quick clicks on this top fire button here. And then once it's on, you will see that you have your battery display at the top, your wattage in the middle, your puff counter at the bottom, and you can also change the colour of your display. So to do that, it is pressing the fire button and the plus button together, and we'll change that to a green colour. So to lock your wattage, for example, if you're using the 0.8 coil and you're wanting to use that at the max power it's recommended, then you want to put it up to 16 watts and then hold in the minus and plus button together, and that will lock your wattage so you can't change that up or down until you unlock it again. So to lock your power, in case you don't want to turn it off in your pocket, it is 3 quick clicks on top of the fire button here, and then that won't be able to fire inside your pocket or anything like that, or in your bag. To get to the USB port, it is just at the bottom of the device. All you want to do is lift out the rubber bung, flip it across, and you'll see that you have the old style USB port, so just be careful when putting the USB lead inside of it. The Smok alike is a very good compact starter kit. Its max watt is 40 and it has a 1600 milliamp inbuilt battery. Overall, I think that the robustness of the device just adds to it and makes it so much better. If you want to see a durability test on how durable this device is, we have filmed our own, and we will place a link in the description for that video. Thank you for watching guys, we really appreciate it, and we shall see you next week.